Today we're talking all things lactic acid, which is a common AHA when used in corrective skincare, but it's not just as simple as that. So if you find yourself asking yourself the question, what does lactic acid do? Then you might want to stick around for the next couple of minutes. Lactic acid needs to be used correctly to see results. So by understanding it fully, you'll get the most benefit from it. And luckily for you, this video will teach you all the things you need to know. If you didn't know, my name's Belle and I'm an absolute skincare junkie, which over the years has allowed me to open up my very own skin clinic. I've around 10 years extensive experience and I lead a team here at Globe of professional skin experts educating you all about skincare. So if that sounds like a bit of you and you like learning new things, make sure you hit the subscribe button because it really will help this channel grow. Lactic acid derives from lactose, although nowadays it's produced synthetically to allow it to keep up with the world's skincare production demands. It's what gives soured milk and yogurt its distinctive tang and has been used for many years to beautify and soften the skin. And according to legends, Cleopatra's daily bathing routine required 1 bathtub and 700 lactating donkeys. Luckily, with the development of skincare, that means that we don't have to go to those lengths anymore. Lactic acid is an alpha hydroxy acid and it's so similar to glycolic acid. The only difference being is lactic acid stays on the skin's outer layers a little bit more, which means it provides the skin with more hydration. So think of it like glycolic acid's slightly less irritating younger sister. We filmed a video all about glycolic acid, so if you haven't checked that out already, I'll pop it in the description box below. So lactic acid unglues dead skin cells, effectively exfoliating and working on the more superficial layers of the skin where the dead cells collect. And it helps to quicken up your cell renewal by getting rid of the old surface layer your skin doesn't need, and assists in making the skin look brighter and more youthful by stimulating collagen, elastin and all the other goodness that your skin does need. Because lactic acid doesn't lower the skin's pH as much as some other AHAs and BHAs, it can be used quite frequently without too much irritation. Lactic acid skincare, such as lactic acid cream, serum, mask, tend to have a lower percentage attached, and it tends to be around between the 1 to 10% marker, so by using it around 1 to 2 times a week at this strength, it can be quite tolerable. A lactic acid skin peel, however, will be of a higher percentage, normally ranging anywhere between the 15 to 30% marker, depending on the formulation, so leaving around 2 weeks in between these treatments will be what's required. Out of all the AHA acids, lactic acid is probably one of the most hydrating, so it's definitely the go-to if you have more sensitive skins. It's mainly suited for dehydrated skins because it's a humectant, and a humectant is a substance that allows the skin to retain moisture. However, in most cases, it can be used on all skin types and all skin tones. I frequently reach for it when I perform skin treatments on my clients in clinic and can quite confidently say I've never really experienced clients incur a reaction or any major irritation, but yet it's still so powerful in the results that it can achieve. It's safe to use on both young and mature skins and is completely pregnancy safe too. And it's also used as an active healant when the skin's in a sensitive state. Lactic acid intensely brightens and smooths via its ability to exfoliate, and it also really helps with skin texture concerns too, as well as skin discoloration. And most importantly, what it does help to do is bring healthy skin cells to the surface. And you know what they say, healthy skin cells are definitely happy skin cells. It can also be really beneficial when treating an acne-prone skin, and sometimes a preferred option than using glycolic acid, because acne-prone skins a lot of the time can be more sensitive. So by using a lactic acid, this definitely caters for this a lot better. So as you can see, it can be beneficial for so many different skin concerns, and I'll tell you a little secret, it's definitely one of my favourites. But it is an acid, and an acid will make adjustments to the skin's pH, whatever it is. So it's important to make sure that you have a healthy skincare routine to support it, you limit the use of using it in conjunction with other acids, and by doing that, you'll make sure that you only see positive improvements. So that marks the end of our 3-part acid series, and I really hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. We upload weekly videos here on this channel, so to stay up to date with our content, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, because we've got some really exciting things coming up over the next few weeks. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and if you have any questions, pop them in the comments box below and we'll be sure to get back to you. If you'd like more personalised skincare advice, then you can book in for a virtual skin consultation with me over on globay.co.uk. It's a brilliant experience if you haven't undergone one before, and I would love to be able to help you. Whilst you're there, don't forget to sign up to our newsletter where we do monthly prize draws where you can win hundreds of pounds worth of skincare goodies. I'll see you next week.